Hello viewers, hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my channel Life's Calculations. This is the third video on chapter number 14 ICSE Maths, and the name of the chapter is Equation of a Line. Okay. Now here I am going to tell you about the most important topic on which the whole of the chapter is based, that is inclination. Okay. Before I tell you inclination, let me tell you one very important thing. Till now we have seen that either the lines are horizontal, like we draw x-axis, or the lines can be drawn as y-axis also. Okay, so we call them as vertical lines, right? So y-axis is known as vertical line and x-axis is known as a horizontal line, right? Now in between the things, if the line is not horizontal or the line is not vertical, then what are the other options? Other option is that it will be inclined to x-axis, it can be inclined to y-axis also. Okay, in other words, that line can be horizontal, line can be vertical. The third option is that line can be inclined also. Okay, when we talk about inclined line, then we can visualize the story of a ramp. Okay, the picture of a ramp or an elevator in front of our eyes. Okay, so elevator or the ramp is the best example of an inclined plane. This is the way the elevator is drawn or the ramp is drawn. Okay, now when we say it is an inclined plane, it is inclined to what? It is definitely inclined to a horizontal line only. Okay, so let us say that horizontal line I have drawn here, and I can draw one vertical line also here, right? So now this is the ramp. Okay, and this way we move on the ramp, right? Then with the horizontal line, it is making some angle here. Okay, now this angle we call theta, or you can name some other notation also, right? So the angle theta is the angle through which the slope or this ramp is inclined to the ground. Okay, so because it has got some angle, only then it has become an inclined plane. Otherwise it could have become a simple horizontal line or this vertical line also, right? So now comes the concept of inclination. Okay, so inclination is the angle theta through which our ramp or elevator is inclined to the this horizontal line, or here what is the horizontal line? It is the ground. Okay, now by keeping the concept of ramp and the elevator in mind, let us come to the actual definition part of an inclination. Okay, now I have drawn x-axis, there is y-axis, this is positive y, this is negative y direction, and I have drawn, just imagine that I have drawn a ramp only. Okay, then the ramp I have shown with the help of a straight line, and if you can think, this is the same straight line which I talked about in my first video on this chapter, and I drew this line on the graph paper only. Okay, so do you remember the same connection, that for every equation there is a straight line, and from every line we can find an equation. This is the correlation between the equation and a line. This is the chemistry between the equation and a line in this particular chapter only, right? So I have drawn the same line. This you can speak as a ramp also, elevator also. Now on the x-axis it is inclined to an angle with an angle theta, let us say. Okay, now theta becomes its inclination of this line L. Okay, then what is the definition of inclination? That inclination of a line L, okay, inclination of a line L is the angle theta which the part of line above x-axis. Okay, this is the x-axis, and the part of line, this part of the line I am talking about from here to here. Okay, which the part of line above x-axis makes with x-axis. Okay, so what is the definition? Definition of the inclination says inclination of a line is the angle theta which the part of line above x-axis makes with the x-axis only. Okay, so angle you have to see should always be with the x-axis only, and that angle will be called as a inclination. Remember, inclination is always an angle. सबसे important बात, inclination is always an angle, right? Now this angle, so many things are related to this angle now, okay, that this angle if I measure from, if I measure this angle is in an anti-clockwise direction, see the direction of my arrow, this goes anti-clockwise direction, okay, then the anti-clockwise direction, the theta is measured as positive inclination, okay, theta is measured as positive inclination. And with the same x-axis there is another way also, one more way of finding the inclination. What can be the other way of the same line? This can also be the one way of finding the inclination of this line, okay, with the x-axis only, right? So but the problem happens what, that here in this case the angle was measured in anti-clockwise direction, but now it has become in clockwise direction. So it becomes a clockwise direction. Now for the clockwise direction, because anti-clockwise was positive inclination, so clockwise will be negative inclination. These are the two important things, right? Second thing is about this concept is, what is the inclination of x-axis? Okay, remember first of all, inclination is the angle which the line makes with x-axis. Now let us check the inclination of x-axis only with the x-axis, right? For that sake I have drawn a new figure for you. This is our x-axis. We want to see the angle which this x-axis is making with the x-axis only, like I am talking about the concept of parallel lines here. So all of you know what is the angle between the parallel lines. Angle between parallel lines, the theta is always 0 degree, and x-axis will be parallel to x-axis only, okay, both will coincide either, or the other x-axis can be drawn as parallel also. So this is also x-axis, this is also x-axis, if I draw this as the origin, right? So both of them are the concept of parallel lines only. So the angle of inclination of x-axis will be 0 degree only, remember. Second thing is, what is the inclination of y-axis? Okay, for that sake I have drawn y-axis also here. Okay, all of you very well know y-axis is the vertical line and x-axis is the horizontal line, and what angle y-axis makes with the x-axis is always, all of you know very well, it is always 90 degree, okay, and this is what is known as the inclination, that the line which is the line in question here has become the y-axis. When we want to see its inclination, we simply want to see the angle which y-axis makes with the x-axis, right? So this is that angle 90 degree. So I will write here that inclination of y-axis, I call it theta only, and theta is equal to 90 degree, right? So here I will summarize this concept a little in this way, that inclination of x-axis or inclination of any line parallel to x-axis, inclination of x-axis or inclination of any line parallel to x-axis is always 0. Second thing is, inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. Okay, inclination of y-axis is 90 degree, and inclination of any line parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is also the line parallel to y-axis only, right? And as here angle is 90 degree, so angle between this y-axis and this x-axis will also be 90 degree only, because the lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so the concept is inclination of y-axis is 90 degree, and inclination of every line parallel to y-axis will also be 90 degree. This is the complete concept of inclination. Okay, finally last minute I will spend on inclination. Inclination is the name of an angle. First of all, inclination is the name of an angle. Okay, value of inclination is always written in degrees. Okay, it's always mentioned in a degree. Second thing is, important thing is, which angle we want to see. If it is an angle, which angle? It is always the angle which the line in question makes with the x-axis. Okay, which part of the line we have to see? The same part of the line we have to see which is above x-axis. Okay, which is above x-axis. Suppose I draw this line now. So above x-axis the portion starts from here. Okay, so above x-axis I will measure the angle like this. You can measure this way also. It will be positive inclination because anti-clockwise you can measure the same angle. From here also it becomes the negative inclination. Okay. So this was all about inclination. Now my next video, still on the equation of a line only, will be about the one of the most important topic of this chapter, that is a slope. Okay, please stay tuned for that video, and if you like today's video, please do subscribe and share the video also. Thank you very much for watching.